Customer credit notes. A customer credit note is a document issued by a business to a customer indicating that the customer is entitled to a credit or refund for goods or services that they have returned or cancelled. The credit note can be used by the customer to apply the credit to future purchases or to request a refund. A credit note typically includes the customer's name and contact information, the date of the transaction, a description of the goods or services being returned or cancelled, the reason for the return or cancellation, the original purchase price, and the amount of credit being issued. It also should include a reference number and the signature of the person issuing the credit note. You can enter credit note from Customers module. Go to Customers, Transactions, Customer Credit Notes, and click Add Credit Note. You can select the customer. After you select the customer, system will display customer balance, VAT number, credit limit, and delivery details, postal address, delivery address, and document number will set from the system. You can set document numbers from change company settings. Go to company, change company settings. From document and statement, you can change document numbers. You can enter customer reference. You can select layout, salesperson, and you can select return items. System will display totals. You can save this credit note, or you can print or email. And if you have already entered invoice for this customer, you can select from invoice and select the invoice. You change this. You'll select from invoice. Select the invoice. Then system will pop up invoice details to credit note. You can view the item, quantity, prices, taxes. You can view from here. Sometimes customers will return goods lesser than the invoice quantity. For example, in this invoice, there are 3 Sage Business Cloud accounting softwares and 2 quantities of Sage 50. Now assume customer will return only 1 Sage 50. In that case, you can delete first line and you can change the quantity 1 and you can process the credit note. Like that, if your customer returning different quantities than invoices, you can change the quantity. After that, you can save. Furthermore, you can create credit notes by converting customer invoices. You can go to Customers, Transactions, select Tax Invoices. You can select the relevant invoice and by clicking actions and select create credit note like that. You can convert that invoice to credit note without entering details manually. After you create credit notes, you can view the list of credit notes. You can view customer name, document number or credit note number, customer reference, credit note date, credit note total. By checking any credit note, these buttons will activate. You can select credit notes and you can print or email those credit notes. You can search credit notes. You can filter credit notes. You can sort multi-columns. You can export this credit note to CSV file and you can change this grid by clicking the setting button. You can select customize grid. You can check required columns and you can save. And by clicking these headings, you can sort by ascending or descending order. By clicking actions, you can preview the credit note, print credit note, email the credit note, or you can edit the credit note. And you can re-invoice or you can copy this credit note and you can view the history of this credit note. You can view created, printed from credit note history. Like that, you can create credit notes.